Many of you are planning a special date for Valentine's Day weekend. It'll be much sunnier than that black graphic there. So to check on your favorite restaurant, all you have to do is go to WIAT.com, go to Dicey Dining. You can plug in your restaurant and check their score.
And while you're checking the score, before you head out with your date for Valentine's Day, remember, you're going to have to bundle up because this is seriously cold weather coming our way for tomorrow.
Yes, it is. I know one guy who was definitely on all of the potential for winter weather, Chief Meteorologist Mark Prater. You've been watching this system for days now.
I mean, I'm watching data as it comes in by the hour, and this is going to be a very fluid forecast. And it's one of those scenarios where we're going to see the potential come and go as far as any icing, and certainly the possibility of a little bit of winter weather in the form of snow. A lot to talk about. Let's start off, though, with what I am tracking for you and our storm track forecast. The day planner tomorrow, well, we are going to have plenty of sunshine. Temperatures are going to warm up a bit. There will be a bit of a breeze again tomorrow with our temperatures eventually topping out in the upper 50s. That will be a bit misleading because of the fact there is a huge chunk of Arctic air that's headed our way. 37 right now in Coleman, 39 in Gadsden, 42 in Anniston and Pell City. We've got 43 degrees right now at the Birmingham Shuttlesworth International Airport. And looking across our area on the storm track radar, there's no rain, no sleet, no snow at this point, and hopefully that trend will continue. Just to give you a quick rundown of what happens whenever we do have rain, freezing rain, as well as sleet and snow. Well, the temperatures at certain levels and thickness of the atmosphere are very important. Now, if we're looking at 2,000 feet here, rain falls as a liquid, and then once it gets to the surface that is below freezing, that's when everything begins to ice. If it falls and it begins to change over to a little bit of ice pellets, that's where we'll get sleet, and then obviously, if the thickness is right and the moisture is falling from the right altitude, then we'll have all snow. This is a forecast model data run, and our storm track ice accumulation shows across west and central Alabama Monday morning. The areas highlighted in pink, that is where we'll have a little bit of ice accumulation. At this point, I don't see a whole lot in the way of any major problems with this, and it will be a very short window as far as how much ice we'll see before temperatures do start to get above freezing. Now, on the north side of that, we will have some light snow accumulations across not only Blount, but also northern St. Clair counties, back into Winston, as well as Marion counties. Again, the total's not even amounting to up to an inch, so we're not looking at a whole lot in the way of any major problems for Monday other than slippery the first few hours in the morning. Then after that, we've got another shot of some snow falling, mixing with rain to begin with, and then eventually turning over to all snow. Here's the latest forecast from our Storm Track Futurecast. That cold front that will move through here tomorrow night, that brings in the much colder air. On the backside, we'll have the moisture begin to move in. This is Sunday at 11, 12. Not much going on. Temperatures are going to be cold. We'll have some sunshine. And then here comes the moisture. That will be snow in the white and blue. The pink area is where we'll have sleet and freezing rain. That will be from Hamilton right back into Walker County, Jefferson County, back over into St. Clair counties. Then temperatures will start to gradually get above the freezing mark, and it will change back over to all rain. This is by lunch on Monday, so certainly we'll be watching it very carefully, and Ted McInerney as well as Dave Baxley and I will all be watching this throughout the course of the weekend and giving you updates as needed. Here's a look at our Storm Track 7-day forecast. There's the rain changing over to some snow, and then snow into early Wednesday. I don't see we'll have a whole lot in the way of accumulation, but we'll certainly be watching it carefully, and it will be cold. Now, for today's winner of our weather radio, we have Daryl Baker. Congratulations. Now, if you'd like to win a weather radio, you can do so by going to WIAT.com. We'll announce our next winner at 10 o'clock.